Hello, good morning, and a warm welcome to your decoding of the Economic Times newspaper. Today we are going to decode an article from page of markets, ET markets page, which is page number, let's see, it's page number 11. So today we're going to decode the article on page number 11 of the ET markets. And this article is called It's Raining Bonus Shares. It's on the Indian stock market. We know stocks is one of the top ways to create wealth. So today I'm picking an article specially which is on the stock market so that we can understand it, decode it together, and you can make a difference to your money life. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not paid by Economic Times to do this. I've been reading the ET papers for a very long time, I think 15, 17 years, and I have benefited from reading, information gathering, using that information, decoding it. So today I'm bringing it back. Today is the 229th episode of the decoding of the Economic Times newspaper. So I'm bringing it back so that we can together move forward in building your money life. Hi Kavneet, Usha, good morning. Hey Preeti, good morning. Hi Kaveri, warm welcome. You know what I can see on the, so when you guys write comments, on top of that it's written, here is Kavneet, an anniversary follower. Usha, who is a milestone follower. Preeti, who is one of the top fans at Women on Wealth. Kaveri, a milestone follower. Shruti, a top fan. Yes, happy raining. Yes, Kaveri. And Kavni, 229th episode. Absolutely. Persistence is all it takes for a community to move forward. I am loving all the hearts coming my way. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is just beautiful. I think love is all everybody wants, right? Nothing more, nothing less. Thank you. Alina, Margi, Diksha, good morning everybody. Yes, it's raining in Delhi and I can see people who've joined from Delhi saying, hey, happy raining, and a lot of emojis coming off rains. Thank you. Thank you. Like I said, thank you for all this love. I can see endless hearts coming my way. Okay, beginning right here. So it's raining bonus shares. Indian companies are giving out bonus shares in record numbers. So bonus shares are being issued in record numbers. What are bonus shares? So say there's a company and you own shares of that company. Now you're getting bonus shares, right? You're getting a bonus. So 1:1 bonus. So say you have one share of a business, you're getting one more because you already have one. So bonus shares are raining and in record numbers they are being given as managements look to reward loyal investors. So this is a big reward which is being given to loyal investors. So people who are invested in a company for a long period of time, they are rewarded, and they are being rewarded because there is a good post-pandemic performance that has been seen in the financial year 2022. 73 companies have announced bonus shares, and this is the second highest since 2010. So since 2010, this is the second highest. So 73 companies have announced bonus shares, and when we are saying this is the second highest since 2010, well, in 2010, 90 companies issued bonus shares, and this was followed by 78 companies in 2018, and it's 2022 and it is 73. So we may surpass definitely the 2018 number, and let's see if we can surpass 2010 as well. And this informs you. Remember guys, 2008 market crashed, and 2010, the boom came and all these bonus shares come in now. But if you notice again, after the breakdown, after the crash, okay, am I back guys? Can you hear me? Can somebody say that you can hear me guys? I think my internet for a fraction of a second or so went off. Can somebody say I'm back? Hi Manjula, Shruti, Ritu, Veena. Diksha is saying positivity, happiness and abundance. Got it. Yeah, broadcast problem. You can hear Kavneet. Okay, I'm back. Great. Ritu is saying I love you, and Ritu, we love you too. Great, so I trust everybody can hear me back. So what I was creating was that, this often happens. The crash comes and then the period of the market going up comes, and that is where investors, long-term investors, truly benefit. You also benefit from the... Okay. So you also benefit from the sale period that comes, and that comes in the crash times, right? And then the market starts going up. And when the market starts going up, you further benefit because you average out your buying price when the market was going down and crashing. And then, you stay put, the market goes up, good quality companies go up, the stocks of good quality companies, the prices of the stocks of good quality companies go up, and then you also get rewarded with bonus shares. So guys, this is just to demonstrate to you, we've been saying that stocks is one of the top ways to create wealth. Stocks, businesses, properties. Is to create wealth. So that's what we've been doing. We've been upskilling in stocks and moving ahead. Veena, it's gone again. Can you hear me? To me, it's showing that I'm live. And I can see my people here. Let me know. I will go on creating value no matter the breakdowns. That's what I want to say. Because breakdowns will keep happening. Yes, now you can, Veena. Okay. So I'm reading further, okay guys? Yeah, we can hear you well, Nikita. Got it. So just in the face of breakdowns, guys, keep going. Okay, that's another lesson I'm demonstrating here for everybody. That breakdowns will happen. We just need to keep going. And we just need to keep deriving value. And my job is to keep creating value no matter what. So yeah. Just support, be supported, and let's keep moving. So bonus shares, what are bonus shares? Bonus shares are additional shares that a company gives free to its existing shareholders, and this is based on the number of shares they hold. For instance, a company could give one bonus share for one share held, or two bonus shares for every share owned by the investor. So I'm reading this again and I want you to type in got it. If you got what is bonus shares. Okay guys, start typing got it if you're getting what I'm saying. Bonus shares, these are additional shares. And these are shares given, additional shares given by a company to the existing shareholders. And this is based on the number of shares that the existing shareholders own. So for instance, a company could give one bonus share for one share which is held, or two bonus shares for every share owned by the investor. Got it guys? Awesome. I'm loving that I'm sitting in the company of intelligent women. Veena, Preeti, Archita, Usha, Shruti, Manjula. Got it guys? Brilliant. So these are bonus shares, and this is also how you make money. Nikita got it. I'm glad each one of you is getting it. So we think that we only benefit with the rise in share price. That's not it. As long-term investors, we also benefit from bonus shares or split shares. Wealth gets built like this as well. So this is just to open up the world for you guys. Okay, what I'm doing right now is opening up what's possible. Because sometimes we've lived in scarcity for so long, we've lived in, constraint, financial constraint for so long that there is resignation where we are, right? That nothing much will happen. A little bit incremental growth can happen, but hey, trust you me, if you keep going with good quality investments and you keep being on track with your financial system, a lot can change. So the company pays for bonus shares from its profits or reserves, which means there is no cash outflow, unlike dividends where shareholders receive cash. So you don't receive any cash from the bonus shares, you just receive bonus shares, additional shares, right? Kaveri is saying, got it, yup, bonus shares are different from share splits. Yes, I got it, lovely. So this issuance is called capitalization of reserves, meaning accumulated reserves from profits are converted into capital by issuing bonus shares. Bonus shares improve liquidity as the price of the company's shares falls depending on the issuance ratio. This can become a little technical, so now I'm coming to the companies, the names of companies which have issued bonus shares. Indian Oil, Varun Beverages, AU Small Finance Bank, Ajanta Pharma, Nazara Technologies, Minda Industries, Torrent Pharma, JMM, Fodler and REC. These are among the 67 companies that have either issued bonus shares or they've announced record dates for considering expansion of the equity base through bonus stocks. So expansion of the equity base, what does that mean? Say, the number of equity shares which were there of a company available for investors were 1,000, and now 1:1 bonus share came in, so 1,000 shares become 2,000 shares. So the equity, the number of shares expanded, right? So now more investors can buy, right? So they are further expanding. So yeah, that's what I want to talk about for today. What are you getting? Are you getting another way to make money in the stock market? It's not just rise in share price. It's a lot more. Just depends on how long you can stick around for your long-term goals with your investments, and there is money to be made in the stock market, like my mentor Mrs. Neeru Tiwari says. There is money to be made. Who makes that money is completely dependent on how much education you're willing to take and how much you're willing to persist, how much attitude you're willing to build. So it's all a combination. Please start typing. What are you taking away today? What are you learning, understanding? Start typing. What are you getting, guys? What are you learning? For me, reading anything is always an eye-opener. For me, I read anything and I see something useful for you, I just want to bring it to you. It's like that for me. Nikita is saying, I had heard of split shares but did not know about bonus shares. I now have more reasons to stay invested in the right companies. Awesome, Nikita. And we are together in this. You must know this. Usha is saying, yes, I understood the way to make money through the stock market. Kaveri is saying, share price rise, dividend, bonus shares. There are many ways you can make money in the share market if you know how to pick good quality business. Preeti is saying, another way to create more wealth. So let's do that together. We are women on wealth. Women who are investors. We are a women investors community. Let's build this wealth together. There is money to be made. It depends on who is willing, who is ready to pick it up. Let's get ready and let's really pick it up. Money is right around us. On this note, guys, closing the live, and before I close, how many of you are willing to share this work with people in your life? We committed that 50 lakh women will get financially educated by 2030. By the end of this decade, this world will be a different place. How many of you are willing to partner with us in this mission. Type in shared if you are partnering with us. We would love that you spread the news. You just spread the word that financial education is accessible for women around. Let's see how many of us partner. It's not just your financial education that counts. Trust you me, when more and more women get financially educated, the generations coming ahead are going to be different. This world is going to be different. Are you willing to partner? Usha is saying yeah, and Veena is saying shared, Preeti is saying sharing. Thank you so much, Veena, Preeti and Usha, for standing with us, and I'm counting on each one of you to bring your friends, family in. Let's make the change. Got that, Usha? Thank you for sharing the video. And Diksha is saying, understanding the many ways to invest and gain from stocks. Learning and growth goes hand in hand. Bingo, I love what you created, Diksha. Learning and growth goes hand in hand. Are we willing to be long-term investors, lifelong learners? Because that's what's going to bring in the change. Diksha is saying sharing for sure. Thank you, Diksha. Nikita is saying each and every small information on Women on Wealth is an enlightenment. I'm glad to be a part of Women on Wealth. I'm sharing and will share ahead for sure. Thank you, Nikita. Builds the world for me. You must know this. This builds the world for me because I think my life is all about just Women on Wealth. So let's bring it together. Archita is saying several ways to make more wealth, like bonus shares, splitting of shares, and Archita is giving us a thumbs up and back for you, loads of love. Ritu is saying we receive bonus love, information, motivation every day from you, Priyanka, as a reward for being a Women on Wealth community member. A company may give one or two, but we receive endless and growing every day with your support. Thank you so much. Gratitude, Ritu. Real big gratitude. Thank you so much for coming in. My job is to create value. Your job is to derive value. That's the give and take we make sure we have, and let's build this world together. That's the only thing I would want to do with you. Please spread the word. Let the Women on Wealth mission be right out there for each and every woman to take advantage of for accessing her financial goals. Loads of love, take charge, and thank you for being here. Stay safe.